Neil had told me that he heard Angel and Soma talk about putting me up, but I didn't believe it.
Never said anything. You're a fucking liar.
You said
and you live a fucking fake life.
You
and
said
you're
it.
dumb as fuck.
You said it.
I sat down there and I did it for you.
We spoke about her being possible.
I did it for you, Doyin.
Yes, I did it back for the
That's what we said.
Kim chose Cross because he gave her space. If you put the both of them on a scale, no babe will pick C over P, and Pere is very fine. That's why I asked him. He doesn't look or appreciate himself in a mirror. He looks like a Pere, but he has a personality of a weakling.
I don't talk on before and I said it to Pere. This is not me talking. Yes, of course I said it. And I want it in my chest.
You're fucking dumb.
And I want it in my chest. Stupid ass.
He doesn't fucking like
you. Say you know they talk about people.
Why is
they
he
say
telling
people
you?
should mind their business.
Fucking taking horse bitch.
Please stop, come on, don't do this. You're strong now, don't let this stupid shit get to you, bro. Please don't. I beg. I've never seen you like this, don't let me see you like this, I beg. Please, brother, I beg.
Sorry, Parrot. You've talked too much. You can go to bed now.
Fucking no.
You two, they talk.
People are not bold enough to now say